Hi, I'm Edwin Martinez. I'm your ROX outdoor guide. I'm a travel and landscape photographer, a Canon brand ambassador, and I've been doing photography tour guides since 2011. One of my favorite places to take my clients and also to photograph is the Arctic Circle. It's such a joy to see my clients photographing or experience to see the Northern Lights. Also, one of the coldest places that I've been to is the Canadian Rockies, which I bring my clients to see Banff National Park, the ice bubbles, and temperatures there can range from -10 to -35. My favorite season is winter, and I'm here to explain things about the layering and the proper attire for winter conditions.